Hi everyone, welcome to Unboxing Dentistry, and today we have a clamp set that is used for isolation during endodontics or even the composite restorations. And today we have HySolate Fiesta clamp set. So these are color-coded wingless clamp pack in a series that is designated for a specific tooth, and these are designed by Calmps. So let's open up the packaging and see the contents inside. So after opening the packaging, the first thing that we get to see over here is an information brochure with the HySolate Fiesta 9 color coded wingless clamps, and there are different color codings for a specific tooth with the clamps that are designated for that particular tooth. Also, we get to see the second brochure that contains how to organize these clamps and even how to autoclave these clamps. On this we see a set of total 9 clamps that are seen over here, and these are color coded, packed into different sections that we see over here. So these are the wingless clamps that we do prefer in isolation using rubber dam for cases in endodontic treatment or even the composite restorations. So thanks for watching. We would be back with the demonstration video. Till then, bye bye, take care.